In this training module, we'll discuss system maintenance issues. There are three basic types of regularly scheduled maintenance tasks that need to be performed on an FD322 system. These include visual inspection and performance checks, each with a recommended 90-day interval, and a status check recommended every 180 days. To maintain the system, you'll need the same basic tools used to tune it. The only new requirement is a test log in which to document all inspection and test results. The test log is an important tool that enables you to compare current system status to previous results. However, its most important function is to establish a clear record of accountability to prove that the system has been consistently maintained in satisfactory operating condition. For your test log, choose a bound notebook with numbered pages to assure that pages cannot be torn out or added without evidence of tampering. There are a number of important tasks to perform during the visual system inspection. First, the sensor conduit must be inspected. Check it for cracks and kinks, and remember to check it at the entry and exit points on all APU enclosures. Verify that the conduit is securely attached to the fence and add or replace wire ties where needed. Check the NEMO boxes to make sure there's no water buildup inside. Check the fence condition and repair damaged or loose areas, and tighten any loose fence hardware such as signs. Check for fence obstructions and remove as necessary. Vegetation grows, and regular landscaping services will be required to keep the fence clear from plant life. Monitor the APU LED indicators while shaking the fence to ensure normal operation. And don't forget to record all results and findings in the test log, noting time, date, and maintenance personnel details. It's recommended that the system performance check be done along with the visual inspection at 90-day intervals. Climb and cut tests need to be performed on every zone, making sure that each APU channel goes into alarm and that those alarms are acknowledged by the alarm monitoring system. If alarms fail to occur, or if the monitoring system does not acknowledge each alarm, troubleshoot the system to resolve the issues. Finally, don't forget to record all results and findings in the test logbook, noting time, date, and maintenance personnel details. We recommend that a system status check be made every 180 days, although it's certainly okay to perform it along with the visual and performance checks every 90 days. The status check involves performing status and loss checks on all zones. In order to guarantee reliable performance, every zone should have a loss less than or equal to 6 dB. If any zone has higher loss, troubleshoot the system to correct the situation. To measure the zone loss, perform the field calibration procedure as described in an earlier video segment. Verify that the new loss value is no more than 6 dB and record the result in the test logbook. To perform the status test, use the APU's terminal mode. Verify that the laser current is less than 40 milliamps and that the power supply voltage is between 12 and 24 volts DC, and record the results in the test logbook. If you encounter any zone with more than a 6 dB loss, it can be helpful to perform a loopback test to isolate the problem to either the APU or to the fiber on the fence. You'll need a known good multi-mode optical jumper cable to perform this test. To execute, disconnect the fence-mounted sensing fiber from the APU and replace it with the test jumper. And don't forget to clean and examine the test cable ferrules before connecting the test jumper to the APU. Now perform the field calibration procedure. If the loss remains high, the problem is in the APU, and if the loss goes down, the problem is in the fence fiber. Most of the time, the latter will be the case. However, if the problem is determined to be in the APU, get in touch with our tech support group for additional troubleshooting help or to arrange for the unit to be repaired. This concludes our discussion of FD322 system maintenance issues.